So there's not crunchy time tonight because the eco-friendly mobile lawn service has been deployed in the Lakeview pasture, which, as you can tell, thanks in no part to Xfinity for making it so I wasn't able to use this pasture, it's gone to seed and has replenished quite a bit. So they've had their grain, and now every single one of them, including Prego, are just nomming down. And just so you know, we still have Alexander and Poncho, also known as Mac Daddy, hanging out across the street. So, have a good evening, everyone.